In this video lecture, we will study theorem 7.2 of chapter number 7, triangles. Now, the statement of the theorem is angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now, suppose that there is an isosceles triangle. First, I am drawing the figure. This is your isosceles triangle ABC. A, B, C. Now, in this isosceles triangle ABC, suppose AB is given equal to AC. AB is given equal to AC. Now, over here what you need to prove that angle opposite to these two equal sides are also equal. So, देखो which angle is opposite to side AC? Angle B. Which angle is opposite to side AB? Angle C. So, in this theorem, what is given? AB equal AC. Then we will prove angle B equal angle C. Then we will prove angle B equal angle C. So, first I am writing given. Now, what is given over here? First, a triangle ABC, where AB is equal to AC. Where AB is equal to AC. Then after that, what is given? To prove angle B equal angle C. To prove angle B equal angle C, this is given, sorry, this is, we will prove angle B equal angle C. ठीक है ना? Now the question is how to prove angle B equal angle C. To prove angle B equal angle C, you need two triangles over here. You need to divide this whole triangle ABC into two triangles. Now this can be achieved in this manner. Draw the bisector of angle A which meets BC at D. Draw the bisector of angle A which meets BC at D. So what I am doing over here is I am writing construction. First I have drawn the bisector of angle A. So I am writing over here, draw bisector of angle A which meets BC at D. Which meets BC at D. ठीक है, ये हमने बना लिया. अब देखो, now proof. So how to prove this? देखो, it is very simple. First we will prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. First we will prove triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Now if both the triangles are congruent, then by CPCT you can say angle B equal angle C. If both the triangles are congruent, then you can simply say angle B equal angle C. ठीक है ना? So I am writing over here in triangle ABD, and triangle ACD, we have, first you will write AB is equal to AC given, AB is equal to AC given. Then you will write angle BAD, this angle BAD, this is equal to angle CAD. This is equal to angle CAD by construction. Then after this you will write AD is the side which is common in both the triangles. AD equal AD, common side. So finally you can say that both the triangles ABD and triangle ACD, they are congruent, and the reason is by side angle side congruence rule. By side angle side congruence rule, both the triangles are congruent. Now because both the triangles are congruent, so by CPCT their corresponding angles are also equal. So over here now you can say angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B equal angle C, write down proved. Give the reason over here CPCT, and over here write down proved. ठीक है? So this is the explanation of theorem 7.2 of your NCERT book. Please note it down. Now in theorem 7.3, the statement is the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So again there is a triangle. Now this time in this triangle two angles are given equal. Suppose this is your triangle ABC where angle B is equal to angle C. This theorem 7.3 is actually converse of theorem 7.2. In theorem 7.2 what you have proved, angle B equal angle C. तो देखो यहाँ पर वो given है और वहाँ पर जो given था वो आपने यहाँ पर क्या किया है, प्रूफ किया है, ठीक है ना. So write down given. So what you will write, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, first it is given that angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. To prove over here क्या प्रूफ करना है, that now see, so given in triangle ABC angle B is equal to angle C, then to prove, देखो which is the side opposite to angle C, AB, which is the side opposite to angle B, AC. So we will prove AB is equal to AC, ठीक है ना. So over here we will prove side AB is equal to AC, ठीक. अब देखो उसके लिए फिर से वही, we require two triangles over here. To get AB is equal to AC, we need to divide this triangle ABC into two triangles. First we will prove both the triangles congruent, then after that by CPCT we can write AB is equal to AC, ठीक है ना. तो देखो सबसे पहले हम कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं. यहाँ पर हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन लिख दिया ये, ठीक. अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, ड्रॉ बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल ए, ड्रॉ बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल ए विच मीट्स BC एट D. सो राइट डाउन ड्रॉ बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल ए which meets BC at D, ठीक है. ये बना दिया. Now because of this bisector, now this whole angle is divided into two angle. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, ठीक है. अब देखो, now we will prove both the triangles congruent. So write down proof in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. We have the first one is angle B is equal to angle C, given, okay. Then angle BAD, this is equal to angle CAD by construction, and after that you can write AD common. AD is the side which is common in both the triangles, common side. So finally you can write both the triangles are now congruent, and the reason is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and the reason is by angle side congruence rule, ठीक है. And because both the triangles are congruent, so their corresponding sides are equal by CPCT. So now you can say AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC by CPCT, ठीक है. Give the write down hence proved. So this is the explanation of theorem 7.3 of your NCERT book. Please note it down.